What's up, y'all? It's your girl Beans, and I'm back with another video.
Yeah, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
So this video has been long overdue. I actually have been working. My birthday was like last Saturday, so I was doing the most. And I never got a chance to film, which sucks, but I just turned 20, so dub clap. Okay, I'm gonna take my spoolie. This outside of the spoolie. And I'm gonna just brush my hairs up. Get them all out the way. I'm gonna take my pencil. Don't look at it. I know it needs to be sharpened, and we don't have a sharpener. So because I would have been here all day trying to do that with that dang pencil. Here we go. This side. Baby. Okay, it has its pros and its cons, but we're gonna clean that up. Yeah, like I said, I haven't done makeup in like, I'm gonna go in with another spoolie. Bada bing. She said my fancy makeup is more like my highlighter color, and this is my actual color. So we gonna test it out. It looked good when she did it, so hopefully it look good when I do it. So we're just gonna put this on our brush like this, like so. Some people start in the middle. Alright, right. See, I didn't even want this color. I said I was doing a natural look. Now I'm gonna have to put some makeup over it. So yeah, about my birthday, y'all, like I had a sleepover for 2 nights. It was Friday night, rolling over into Saturday night, which was my birthday. And I had fun. Then on actual Saturday, we stayed in the bed till about like 1 something. Just on our phones, chilling, girls hot, you know. And then we had went to Walmart where I had got my lashes from. So after we had went to Walmart, one of my friends had to leave because she had to go to work. Sister was coming back, but she never came back. But I mean, it's alright. I'm not affected. And then my other friends stayed, and me, her, and my mom and her went to Crooked Bells. Y'all don't know what Crooked Bells is. It's a seafood restaurant. And they are terrific. But yeah, we went to Crooked Bells. I had a shrimp platter. And then they came and sung happy birthday to me. Now I kid you not, y'all, like Thursday, I went to Chili's. They sung happy birthday to me too. And it wasn't even my birthday. It really wasn't. But it was okay. Now, if I would have went to like Yamahato's. Like Yamahato's is like a Chinese, Japanese restaurant where they cook in front of you, but they ID you. They want to know it's your freaking birthday, cause they gonna be doing the most. But I never went, which I should have, but I cost a lot of money. So I'm gonna prime my face with, this is actually an eye primer, but I put it all over my face, my eyes. But we gonna use it. It's Ulta Beauty. You can't even see it, it's dirty. Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer Nude. Take this MAC Pro Longwear Foundation in the shade NC. In the shade NC 50. Y'all can't see it. It's alright. It's MAC Pro Longwear. And I'm gonna just take a little bit and put it on my wrist. Cause like I said, my friend tried this on me. But it was alright. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty, y'all. I don't know where my top is, so, and this is in the shade 8E03 Pro Filter. So, let me take some of this MAC. Put it in between. I honestly love this palette. That's why I look the way it looks. But I'm gonna go in with the shade Kano.
It might be a primer, because I've used this shade before and it don't really do me no justice without the primer.
if y'all want to see more of how I do certain looks, please leave comments and please like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. And I'll see you when I see y'all. Peace.